بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله على بركة الله. fiiri maasha allah tabaaraka allah. dabka ayaan kasoo bixiyey, dhinac kasta ka fiiri. maasha allah, is beautiful, cooked well, easy, softy, ready to eat, and you can eat anything you want to. maasha allah, very good and very good decorated, and it's maasha allah. If you like it, please share, comment, and like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Inshallah, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Following me, my next recipe. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله على بركة الله. fiiri maasha allah tabaaraka